Hey guys, Devi here again, and I'm back with another crypto video about Troncase. Guys, this video is gonna be about a tutorial on how to fill the Troncase refund form. As you know, yesterday we had an update, and these guys they gave us these instructions and also the link to the only official help application link. So this is the link. So if you click on it, it just opens in Chrome. It opens like that. So in this tutorial, we are going to just fill this form and then submit it live. So I'm doing this because some members in my Telegram channel, Tron DeFi Battle, this is my Telegram channel, they asked for it. So actually I made it, I put the refund conditions here, and in the chat they asked for the video, so I'm coming out to do a video for these members, and it is gonna help also other people who don't know how to do this. So if you, in case you see this video, just share it so that it can benefit anyone in Troncase. So to go back to the form, you have to log into troncase.io, the first version. This is IO, and then you go to your personal wallet. And remember the instructions they gave here, they told us that you have to take a screenshot. That's why I've logged in into Troncase 1.0. So your screenshot has to show that total deposited amount and also the total withdrawn amount. And I think also part of the referral link, because you're going to put this link here. No, you're going to put your wallet address here. It is also required. So if we go to personal wallet here, we are interested in this part: total deposited, total withdrawn, and also part of the link. So I'm going to take the screenshot here. I'm using a laptop, but you can also use a phone. It will be the same process, as long as it includes the total deposited and total withdrawn. So screenshot, I've taken it. Now I'm going to trim it because this one looks big. Go to screenshots, it's here. So I'm going to edit it. Now the purpose of editing is just to make it small. So I think that's what they want. They're only interested in this and part of this link. So let me save this. Now as it is saved, I can go away from here. I have to go back to the form. Now the form, it asks for the name, the first name, Devi, Mulinda. These ones are populating by themselves because I'm using my laptop. The country, I'm from Uganda. Oh, you have to locate your country, guys. My country is here. Total TRX deposited, I put in 25,000. Total withdrawn, we check this. I'm just going to copy this. Total withdrawn, yeah, that's the total withdrawn. TRX requested, deposited amount minus withdrawn amount. So you pull out your calculator, you do 25,000 minus 11150.399 6. Yeah, so I'm requesting it is 1384. Sorry guys, 1384 849. Let me put everything, the points also. So this is the difference. And did you make any withdrawal that wasn't paid? No, I didn't make it. But there are some people who made withdrawals after the contract was drained to zero. So if you did that, I think you have to select yes, and then you will give your your reasons in the additional notes here. So wallet address, go back here, you copy the entire wallet, you come back, you put it here. I've taken the screenshot, so you come here and choose the screenshot. It appears in where it appears in screenshots. This is mine, so I've attached it here. Additional note, I don't need an additional note, but I can put please do make my refund so that I can boost my investment in Tron in Troncase 2.0. You can put anything here. I understand, and then I submit the form. First cross check everything if it is right, then after you can submit. 153. Hey guys, first check here. This one is different from what? Okay, yeah. So after that, then you submit the form. So your Troncase 1.1 request had been received. We are working hard to process the refunds as quickly as possible. Thank you for your patience, and we verify the process you requested. So guys, after filling the form, you just have to be patient. Don't submit another form. Remember, in the update they told us that refunds will start in the mid of August. So guys, that's it. And remember to join our channel here. It is called Tron DeFi Battle. It brings you everything, almost everything in the Tron DeFi world. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video.